This is an Ilkley couch made by Robinsons, and it's made in walnut with caning and is made to fold up and dismantle. Apart from walnut, it was also available in oak, mahogany, birch, and at a much reduced price in deal. So let's show you how it all works. So with the cushions removed, we can see that it's made up of 3 sections, 1, 2, 3, which each have a ratchet to them to allow you to adjust their angle and height. So, flattening all 3 ratchets, we can have it completely horizontal as a bed, or you can just lift up the back to whichever angle you want as a seat. You can even use it to raise your legs if need be. And it was marketed originally as an invalid couch. They called it the Ilkley Couch because that's where they were based, Ilkley, Yorkshire. And it was very practical if you had bad hip or knee joints and you needed to get yourself comfortable and relaxed. A couch like this that was fully adjustable was very, very practical. But of course it moved on from that and soon became very popular with travellers, and they certainly later marketed it as being suitable and fully portable for travellers. It was first made around about 1862 by the Robinson family, and really they got their break when the railway came to Ilkley in Yorkshire, and also they discovered that it was a spa town. Lots of spa hotels opened up in the area, and a number of them had the Ilkley couch for their customers, and it proved very, very popular. So popular, in fact, that Robinsons made the Ilkley couch with different variations and improvements over the years for at least 50 years, well into the 20th century. So to fold it up and dismantle it, we'll remove this footrest, which keeps in the foot cushion when in use. One side. We'll fold up the back on its hinge, and we'll remove the legs on screw-in feet. Now most of them had screw-in feet, but not all of them. Some of them were fixed. And you also had the option of getting them with ceramic casters like this, or they also offered them in a lovely big brass caster. So with those two off, we will tip it on its side. And remove the remaining 4 feet. And when those are removed, we can show you the Robinson label. And one of the great things about the label is that it dates it very precisely to September 1874. If my memory serves me correct, 14th of September 1874, I think. So there we go. With the feet off, we can see that it's fully dismantled and ready to go. Now, if I pick this up, let's just see which way round it's that way. And I shall come in towards the camera, and hopefully you can see that label there, which gives us all of the details. There is a further stamp on it as well, which is underneath the back. So that's going to be a little bit harder to see, but hopefully you can there. It's a stamp rather than a label. So there you go. Robinson's Ilkley couch. So popular that it was copied by a number of other companies such as Leverson's, Carter, Ward at the end of the 19th century. And still very popular today because they are so very, very comfortable. As you saw from the beginning, we've had some feather filled cushions made for it, and you can use it as a spare guest bed if you need to, or on a lovely day like today out in the garden, because it's quite portable, easy to move around. So a walnut Ilkley couch by Robinson's, and dated 1874. There's far more about Robinson's that you can read on our website, campaignfurniture.com. Just go to the maker section and you'll see them there in alphabetical order.